Hey, welcome to the VHF UHF channel, and today is concerning the listening of our hobby with earphones. So I gave the same tip for shortwave listening, and it pretty much has the same effect for scanner radio listening. Why not use a pair of earphones when you use your radios? For several reasons. It could be that somebody else is in the room and you don't want to annoy them with your communications and your stuff that maybe that person doesn't enjoy necessarily. Having earphones, you'll be in a little bubble and you'll listen to your favorite signals. Another aspect of having earphones is, of course, when you are listening to difficult to hear transmissions, maybe in the noise or very, very weak signals in the distance. Well, earbuds are actually something, and earphones are actually something that will help you actually maybe hear more of the information that's transmitted, and maybe even easily ID whatever you're listening to and understand what you're listening to. Another aspect of this, of course, is that you can easily play the little spy. One of the things that I did so often when I was really actively scanning was to put my jacket on. I'd put my scanner radio in my pocket with the antenna kind of inside, especially if you have a small rubber duck antenna. Usually is okay and stays inside. And I'd put a pair of earbuds like these. And what was nice is that people think you're listening to the radio, to your music, favorite music on your smartphone. In reality, you could be snooping on the security guards in a building or in a shopping center or so on. And it doesn't attract attention because scanner radios, particularly scanner radios, tend to attract attention that's not always positive. So by putting it inside a shirt jacket, in a little jacket that it's hidden from view, and having earbuds, well, you're not attracting attention. You look like somebody's listening to music, and maybe you're listening to. I was listening to security guards in different buildings downtown Montreal in the 90s. And I would actually enjoy that, just like walking around and listening to what's happening. It's kind of cool. And you don't attract attention, nobody knows. And of course, in a noisy environment outside, maybe you're scanning outside, you're trying to find local signals from some place, and it's very noisy outside. Well, you'll be blocking the outside noise. And that will be very nice. Now, what kind of earphones? Most scanner radios have a standard 1/8 plug, audio plug, which is a very, very, very standard plug. So you can buy pretty much any earbuds, earphones. Try to get decent quality ones, not the cheapest of all. One of the things you might actually just notice is that on scanner radios, a lot of these will have sound in only one of the two earbuds or one of the two earphones. A reason why is that a lot of these are built around mono plugs, and some of these, which are stereo, won't actually give you the sound in both ears. It depends on the radio. It depends on your earbuds or earphones that you will purchase, as long as you have the perfect plug. I actually listen to my scanner radios using my smartphone, my Galaxy S9 earbuds. It works great. And so if you have a smartphone with earbuds, or maybe you purchase a shortwave radio and it has earphones or earbuds that come with them, why not use them with your scanner radio also? They will work fine. And it's a great way to enjoy your hobby and make it maybe even more enjoyable, or make it easier for you to actually be able to know and understand what you're listening to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.